So guys, I am harvesting some chard today. The foliage are so large, and I will be preparing it for dinner, and I will be freezing some for future use. So I'm done harvesting. I will be washing them, using some for dinner, and I'll freeze some for future use. So those are the chards now, and in about 2 weeks time I will be able to harvest new foliage. The arugula are now in bloom. I will probably try to harvest some younger foliage, and then I'll pull them out, and I would like to sow some new ones. There are a few blueberries to be harvested. There are also a few down there. So I'll go get something, a small bowl, and then I can start harvesting for breakfast. Just the berries are now ripe too. So I can also harvest some. I harvested some blueberries and just the berries, and this is a good addition to our breakfast. This is a part of the front garden, and I have a lot of pots in front of the grape. You can also see that the grape foliage are yellowish. I already treated the grape with some iron. I already did it 2 times, and I think I have to do it 1 more time. The zucchinis were the same, but now the new foliage are now all green. The calendulas are now in bloom. My first 2 sunflowers. I also started these sunflower plants from seeds, and I had 7, but only 3 survived, and these 2 are now in bloom, and the other one was also eaten by the slugs, but it's coming back. This year I decided to plant my zucchinis in pots because the slugs always attack them and nibble on them. So except for me adding some iron, because the foliage were yellowish, and as you can see the lower ones are still yellowish and drying up, but the higher ones, the newer foliage, are now okay. And I will be harvesting 2 zucchinis today, my first harvest. And I think there's another one in the other pot.